No one's in frame. No one's in frame.
Hi, I'm Cam Hunter and this is Outdoor Scotland.
In this video we're going to compare two inflatable boats, and then we're going to take them down the River Isla. It's going to be great fun. So here's boat number one. It's a Packraft and I got it from Longshore International. This particular one is designed for flat water or rivers that aren't moving too fast, in other words not white water, although you can push that a wee bit. It's got a great load carrying capacity. You can even strap your bike to it. So this boat is the Wit 2 and costs about £250, and it is able to take one or two people sitting in it. There's the seats there, and that it also has a load carrying capacity, so you can go camping with it as well. We've got a lot more detail while we're on the water. So we're getting ready to walk to the put-in point already. Packraft versus inflatable kayaks winning. Here's all my stuff in my bag, and Brendan's right moaning because he has to carry a pump and always stuff. I don't think this is going to make it across Rannochmoor, honestly, no way.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you.
Right, there's both the boats ready. Can't be bothered getting a watch out to see. What's the time, Brendan?
9:49.
9:49. So the Packraft was up in about 10 minutes. This one took about 20. That's really alright for both of them. And we're ready to put in now. Excellent. Nice lads, nice. Brilliant. Good work, good video work. I meant to say the Packraft will be a bit slower than you guys. What are you saying?
Because you're slower, because the Packraft's slower.
A bit of both probably. The Packraft's got a bit more windage, and you guys got double the power as well. But hey, I'm happy enough to take my time. There's the geese coming up. Look at them, they're off. So far we've discovered that two 20-year-olds can travel faster than a 50-year-old. That's okay. The kayak's definitely a bit faster in the water, and the wind really affects the fact. So I'm in the kayak now. Definitely feels as if you're moving a lot more weight about. It is a very good boat, but definitely a bit more effort, and it carries a bit better than the Packraft. So aye, you've got to choose. When you've got the money in your pocket, you're buying, you've got to choose. Am I right, Brendan? Chunter, you got anything to say about it?
I think I prefer the Packraft.
So that's a Packraft 2.
Slower at moving.
You're what?
Slower, definitely slower.
It's definitely a bit slower, Chunter's saying, but more flexible. Right, anyway, we're getting there, so we'll be at the bridge soon. You'll see us, what do you call it, deflating the boats. Again, the Packraft's going to be better and faster. Right, okay. Yeah, Brendan. There's the bridge. This is us getting out here. There's Callum having a wee go at getting out. See, check the elegance of that boy. Pardon you. Well done. Well done, everyone. So our next task is to deflate the boats and put them in their bags. I think I know what one's going to be best at that. So packing up the inflatable kayak and the Packraft took about the same length of time, and that's us now heading up onto the road back to the car. There's the Packraft in the back of the van. Let's see how much room the inflatable kayak takes up. Look at the size of that, it's huge. Might have to invest in a new car. Yeah. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Comparing these two boats is like comparing a Land Rover with a Ferrari. Both good at their job but doing different jobs. That's my thinking.